This is an election conducted by human beings, and there are human errors within the electoral process. Were the few errors that are admitted by IEBC of a magnitude to allow this court to set aside the election? It is our humble submission that the answer is no. It has not been demonstrated, and my learned friend, Mr. Abdi Kadir, will deal with that matter. Let me point out to you, my lords, that this is one of the few petitions that this court has seen that is full of generalities, innuendos, hypothecations. Yeah. We believe there was one counsel who repeated several times, our theory is, our take is, our understanding is, not evidence, nothing of probative value, speculation, generalization. It is our very humble submission that, framed in those general speculative terms, lacking clear, cogent, probable evidence, these petitions lack merit. It is made worse, my ladies and my lords, by the fact that the petitions make grave allegations of a criminal nature: fraud, tampering with election materials and results, conspiracy to unlawfully influence an election outcome, and even implied treason. Implied treason. All that without a shred of evidence. All that without a shred of evidence, especially as it relates to the Honorable Chebukati, the chairman of the commission. The vilification against this gentleman goes beyond anything we have ever had before in this courthouse. It was personalized, it was vindictive, it intended to lower his standing in our community and within the legal profession. It was unwarranted. I have had occasion again to defend Mr. Chebukati, although he was not my client. I was in a different office. But I recall mentioning in 2017, before your lordships, that this gentleman was being vilified for doing exactly what the minor Kiai court told him to do. It told him, don't touch the results coming out of the polling station. That is the final result. We then came here to this court, and he was called all manner of names at that time. This has not stopped. What should we learn from this? We should learn one thing, and it is a very unhappy lesson. The attack on the chairpersons of the commission has a long history. There was Justice Zacchaeus Chesoni, there was Samuel Kivuitu, there was Isaac Hassan, and now there is Chebukati. The pattern is the same. The pattern is the same. None of them has been allowed to leave office without vilification and a vindictive process being engineered against them. I don't want to go to the details because we all know the details. We remember the details. So what is wrong? There is nothing wrong with IEBC. There is nothing wrong with Wafula Chebukati. There is something very wrong. There is something very wrong in the way the persons who participate in the electoral process accept winning or losing. That's the problem. at an appropriate